Council.
And we want to pray for you and pray for ourselves. Let them fight. But today you have to just one more place here.
Watch.
And we want to pray for you and pray for ourselves. Let them fight. But today you have to just one more place here.
Council. Everybody. Mamano. Your Excellency, I decided to come to pay you a visit with my people from River State before yesterday being the first of New Year. As brothers, as friends, you also have your friends, even though you are brothers. I said one of the states I will go and pay a visit and relax and share drinks with for this New Year before work starts on Tuesday. That Ikpeazu will be one of the first governors I must visit before we start to work in this new year. I say so because for people to understand there are people you have special relationship with. Yes, we are governors, no doubt about that. As governors too, we know how we relate. There are people you relate with officially. There are people you relate with officially and privately. Ikpeazu is one of those I relate with officially and as a personal friend. And so I felt that you've given me a lot of support in the government forum. Even when I had crisis, you never wavered. You came to say, look, you cannot allow me to be disgraced, and you stood firm. I want to sincerely appreciate you. I want to thank you and thank the people of Abia. That you see, in life, money is not everything. Character is important. This is a man of character. It's a man that, of course, you know me. If you don't, I will also tell him. I'm not afraid of anybody. But he is. You saw me as I came here. I went straight to take the cola and get it. It tells you something. The relationship we have and will continue to have. And I believe that God, His infinite mercy, will make this year to be better than last year. Because whether we agree or not, I don't think this is a country we wish ourselves. No reasonable Nigerian will say that he wants, as he wakes up in the morning, what is hearing is death. Not death caused by you. Maybe you were sick, no. Or maybe you jumped down and committed suicide, no. It's the day that you are going to the farm, you have been abducted. You are going to the market, you have been abducted and killed. I don't think that is what is good for this country. And that's why I said in Bauchi yesterday, God will not forgive PDP. If PDP does not rescue this country, God will not forgive PDP. So PDP has everything that goes for it now to make sure that we'll rescue this country. When these Israelites were having a problem, God directed somebody to lead them to rescue the Israelites. And that was Moses. Now, Nigeria has a problem. And the only way Nigeria can be rescued now is that political party called PDP. And if they do not carry out this function to rescue Nigeria, God will not be happy with the party called PDP. And all of us who are members of PDP, God will not be happy. Because there cannot be a political party if there are no human beings. So we must do everything we can to put our party together, to unite our party. Nigerians are waiting. Nigerians are waiting. So he's one of the strong people who have that. He believes in the unity of our party. Today, we have a vibrant NWC because people like this came together. So look, I remember one of those days in our meeting, Ikpeazu will say, look, why are you people talking about this man should go, this man should not go? It's not the issue. That the issue is that are you not hearing what Nigerians are saying? Are you not reading newspapers? The Nigerians are saying, these people cannot lead us to where we are going to. So it is not a matter of whether Chama should go, Chama should not go. Read papers. Listen what Nigerians are saying, not we. So we must do those things that Nigerians are saying. That's what they said in the meeting. So people come here, you're causing problem, or he's having problem with Chama. People are making mistake. What are Nigerians saying? And Nigerians are happy that these people should stay? No. So let's do the will of Nigerians. And that was what it did. And that was what. So, and it was that time people that said, what are you saying? You say, what am I saying? So you don't read papers. Nigerians are not happy with our NWC. Don't you know? Don't you know? You come here and begin to make it as if it's between this person and this person. Please, let us not do that. Let's listen and do the wish of Nigerians. And that was done. And you see, Nigerians accepted it. And you can see what will happen after now. So thank you very much. And let me also urge all of you who have been supporting him, continue to support him. Let me tell you one thing. In my experience in politics, the day everybody loves you, something is wrong with you. The day everybody loves you, something is fundamentally wrong. There's no decision you will take. Everybody will be happy. Right? But once your conscience is clear that you are doing what you think is right, don't look back, move on. When people say, oh, people compare Abia and Rivers, that is not being fair. That cannot be fair. The resources available to us cannot be the same resources available to Abia State. People should know that. People should know that. And what is important is that if the national economy is not doing well, how will the state economy do well? Tell me how. Because all our state economies are dependent on what happens at the center. We are like beggars. Federal government collects our money that we are supposed to be using to develop our state. So it is when 17th of January comes now, it's everybody's eyes in Abuja. They say, look, what is there? What has come? We'll go and share. But nobody thinks about that. People think that. I know our people to pay tax is very difficult. Particularly when you come from a trading area like it, it's very difficult. Very difficult. It's not easy. So people, how many companies, oil companies that are here? So I think he's doing well to the best of his ability.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.